So this skill sheet is for the driver operator pumper practical examination. It is supplying a hand line from tank supply with changeover utilizing a large diameter feeder as an intake. So the candidate will be in the cab of the vehicle, the apparatus. The proctor will determine the appropriate PPE for the day. The candidate will engage the parking brake before exiting the apparatus. They will engage the pump before exiting the apparatus. When they get out, they will chalk the wheels immediately after exiting the apparatus and then provide for scene safety utilizing parking cones and or barriers.
You may begin. Okay, so I arrive on scene. I'm gonna put the air brake, activate the air brake. I'm gonna put it in neutral. I'm gonna change the transmission or the PTO to the pump. So I'm gonna go into the middle position here. Making sure I'm in neutral, activating the pump. I have pump engaged, I'm reading. Now I'm gonna put it in dry. It says okay to pump, and I'm reading 15 miles per hour on the speedometer. And now before I exit, I'm going to make sure I have the appropriate PPE. I'm going to go chalk the wheels and make sure that the scene is cordoned off and safe.
As the firefighter exits the apparatus, they will then charge the attack line from the tank supply. In this case, we will be flowing out of the front jump line. This will be denoted by the proctor on the day of the exam which attack line to pull. The firefighter will then establish an effective fire stream and then set the relief valve. At this moment, it will be noted that the Natick Fire Department uses the governor instead of a relief valve, and this will be a verbal station and action. In this case, we are going to be utilizing a fog stream for safety. Once the effective fire stream has been initiated, the firefighter will then break off the supply line and attach it to the LDH intake. They will open up the air bleeder and call for the supply line to be charged. It is very possible that the supply line and hydrant will be connected and open prior to the station beginning. The firefighter will make the proper changeover from tank to hydrant supply. They will also refill the apparatus water tank by opening the tank fill. At this moment, they will correct any leaks within the area of the apparatus and safely complete the evolution as directed. This completes the supplying a hand line from tank supply with changeover, utilizing a large diameter feeder as an intake for the driver operator pumper practical examination.